Three Falls Trail. First fall, second fall, third fall. Yeah, it looks pretty rocky. Well, we like adventure. And this is in Hurricane, aka Hurricane, Utah.
Are we going on the thing?
That one's kind of far. That's about 1.5 miles. But we'll see how hard this is. I've actually never done this hike, so I've heard all about it. I know it is surprising, huh? Since I do so many. But they say this is kind of fun, though. It's like an old aqueduct up there. You can see it right at the base. Yeah, right at the entrance of this place, there's a lot of little cracks and holes, which kids would like to explore.
Whoa.
Yeah, look at that.
Is this tall? Come here, it's like a mini house. Hello. Can I show?
You want to give them a tour?
Okay.
Yeah, take it. So it's already on right now.
Okay. This is a cave place that I found. This is me.
And way down here.
Here, show out the hole, buddy. That's pretty cool, huh? Hi.
Oh, there's some some bolts up there that you could rock climb up or rappel down. That's kind of cool.
I think you guys like how Brett has a little better home. Yeah. Maybe stay adventurous, Chrissy. Yeah, everything is beautiful. Is this the end?
Alright, so we hit the dry fall. They say to go above it, you have to go backtrack a little bit. And then you hike up here. And go above it, and then go on top. So now we're kind of above the wash. Now we go just straight ahead of us. Yep, the first fall right there. And the kids are way up there. Kids are doing echoes. There's some water up there from the recent rains. We're gonna take a look up here. Now here's where the exposure is on the cliffs. Let me take a look. This might be kind of scary. Yep, definitely some cliffs over here.
So what do we do over here? We just go around.
But I won't tell the kids I'm going around it. But yeah, you could definitely slide off right there. Just taking a look around this thing. And I think we'll keep going up the wash. Yeah, kind of neat little area. There's an easy walk down right there. Back down to the drainage. Yeah, there's another young kid. We didn't bring our rappelling gear this trip. Yeah, here's some water from all the recent raining. Yeah, it probably does flash flood here. It'd be kind of cool to see, actually. Let's take a look, shall we?
Be careful.
I'll be careful. Oh, you can walk down this just fine. Voice keeps cracking. I know the virus attacking my larynx, my voice box. That's why it sounds hoarse and it's cracking. Yeah, I know. I think it's like a limestone rock.
Limestone? It's slippery.
Yeah, because limestone dissolves easily. And that's what I think this rock is. Navajo with the limestone.
Whoa!
Nice jump. Alright, let's keep going down. And we'll actually keep coming back. I mean, we'll go down here and we'll come back up. I just kind of just want to look at it. Oh, yeah. Good one. And that's where I was earlier, on top of there. Now we're just down below that. Looking at the second falls, I think, here. Okay, this one I think we need to... Yeah, this one I think we have to rappel down.
No.
Oh, actually, that's not too bad. We could walk down to that one. Yeah, you can slide down, you can walk across to here. And that's looking back up. Yeah, you guys can come down. There you go. And then Emma too, just kind of walk across.
Fun getting down.
Yeah, it'll be kind of fun going back up too, I think.
It'll be hard for you, Brett.
Hey. Oh.
I don't have at all whatsoever grippy shoes.
I know.
Me neither. Look at me.
Alright, you guys can come down to here. Okay, let me take a quick little look. And we'll see if it's worth it. Yeah, it's slippery. It's like a water slide down there.
Is it worth it?
Kind of cool to see. But we can climb back up pretty easy. Let me see how easy it is to climb back up. There's lots of little rock nubs in the rock. Yeah, I can climb back up that.
So can we go get down farther?
Yeah, you guys want to take a look?
Are you standing on like a slab of rock?
I am right here, yeah. There's like a water slide right here. That'd be fast.
That'd be fast.
Do you see the water slide, kinda?
Yeah.
Like if it is flowing with water, that'd be kinda cool to see.
Yeah, it would also hurt right now.
Yeah, it would hurt. Slide down that.
It'd be fun like at the first part, but when you hit that, it's like, ah.
It would be kind of fun to... I would probably down climb that if I had some grippier shoes. I'd attempt that, to down climb it.
But otherwise, repelling.
Alright, let's go back up. You lead the way. We'll catch you if you slip.
Me next. There's a lot of like rock.
So lean that way, Emma.
Which way?
Lean that way, towards up. Yep.
Sorry, I was trying to help you.
Take off your shoe. Yep. And use your hands, push against the rocks and pull you up. Just like that. You're going to be an excellent slot climber. Slot canyon climber. I can do this with regular sneakers. Most everyone else should be able to do this okay.
That was actually really fun.
That was kind of fun, huh? Alright, now we go up the last section.
Alien plant.
Yeah, I wonder what that is. It kind of looks like a, like in a way, like a watermelon plant, like a vine plant.
Now this part is really easy.
Super pokey, huh?
Okay.
Yeah, see the tire?
It's correct, but
I wonder if someone went to the tip top, you know, drove up there, and then they threw off the tire from the top of the cliffs. Because how else, right?
but why did they throw off the tire?
To watch it bounce down the cliffs. That's my guess. So probably not that much longer.
What will we do when we're finished with the hike? It's satisfying. Yeah, I put my hands in it.
I'm right in front of you. I think we're near the end here. It feels kind of good in here away from the sun, huh? Alright, we're at the end here. So here is Three Falls. We made it to the end. Of Chinese. There's probably a rappel or bolt station up there. That's probably like a 200 feet rappel, 100 feet. Yeah, it's probably a little under 200 feet, or probably right at it. I think these plants are actually called tamarisk. And no, tamarisk is actually not from America. It came from the Europeans when they came across. Because tamarisk actually, you know, keeps the soil like stable.
It does?
Yeah, because the people who came here originally, they were afraid of erosion and flash floods, because it would wash away their cities and towns, and so they would use tamarisk to kind of stabilize the soil, so they could better control the water, so it doesn't just go everywhere. But tamarisk is very thirsty. Tamarisk drinks a lot of water. And so there's actually conservation efforts where they want to get rid of tamarisk along like the Colorado and Green Rivers because it's so thirsty.
Chinese forest. I really like these trees.
It looks like bamboo a little bit.
Mhm.
And let's take a look at Liam's crater in the sand. It's a good mini volcano. Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, let's head back, guys. Oh. Now we're headed back down.
Are you recording?
Yeah, so this is some of the rock bouldering you gotta do to reach this place. It's not too bad, but with young kids it could take some time. But it's not bad. For adults, it's no big deal. I mean, if you're in decent shape, I guess, and don't have any knee issues, but it's actually not been too bad. Kids have been loving it, actually.
Really tall. Did you know once I caught a butterfly in my hand? That's pretty easy. Okay, so what does white? This spot we were going down at first.
Yep, now we're going down the cliff edge here.
I'm starving. I don't think I can go do. I'm literally so hungry.
Yeah, we'll go get some food after this. I'm hungry too.
Diapers. I mean, all the germs are gone now.
We'll get some food after this.
Yep.
We're just walking down to that cliff edge right there. Yeah, so this area, all these rocks right here, used to be an aqueduct. Aqueduct is probably best described as a water road. We're just going up there. We're on top of it. And so they use all these rocks to basically divert the water so they could bring water, you know, to the homes and farms. Yeah, so when the pioneers were first here, you know, there was no water to the valley. So they used the nearby Virgin River, and they dug this out, blasted out the rocks, so they could bring water higher up to this side of the yeah, where there wasn't water. Basically just like irrigation.
I'm pretty sure it goes to the other side.
Can we go inside? Oh, look at that tunnel.
Are you going in?
Do you want to go inside?
Sure.
It's not that far.
I'm getting like miles into it.
Oh.
That's why I said I couldn't.
Well, this is all man-made. So people actually dug this out
Whoa.
and blasted it out.
That's actually impressive.
So water can be taken to the homes and farms back in the old days. Well, this is a long time ago. This isn't now.
Where is the river? There's no more river.
The river is above us. On top of that plateau up there. Right? So if you're a farmer, you're like, how can I get water to my farm? But the river is way up there. So they dug out all these little aqueducts and tunnels to carry water. Alright, so we just did 3 miles round trip. What did you guys think of that? Kind of fun? Yeah, I'd say if you haven't done that, that's worth a visit. What did you think, Sarah, of the hike?
It was fun.
It was fun?
Very good.
What did you think, Liam? Was it a fun hike? Cool, good to hear. Alright, 3 Falls, Hurricane, Utah.
Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to thumbs up. And if you liked it that much, then subscribe. And even that much, then show it to your friend, because they can use some adventure. Stay adventurous!